this video, we're going to be completing the sum. And in this question, we're asked to find the missing number to complete the sum. On the left hand side, we have 2 times 6. And on the right hand side, we have 3 times question mark. In order to be able to find the question mark, we have to first work out the sum on the left hand side. So 2 times 6 is 12. What do we multiply by 3 on the right hand side to get 12? 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer we're looking for here for our question mark is the number 4. In the next question, if we do the same thing on the left hand side by adding 57 and 38, we get 95. So on the right hand side, we have to first do 50 divided by 10, which gives us 5. And if we times 5 by something, we get 95. In order to get our answer, we simply divide 95 divided by 5. 9 divided by 5 is 1. We have a remainder of 4. So we're then going to do 45 divided by 5, which is 9. So our answer on the right hand side for our question mark is 19. 5 times 19 gives us 95.